Hello everyone, I'm Rakshita Bwana, Vivo graphic design student from Design Recall College in third semester. For this competition, I have chosen Domino's, a brand whose identity are recognized within a second. Today, I decode what makes its logo memorable. Domino's began in 1960 when Tom and James Donovan purchased a small pizza store called Dominick's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. In 1965, it became Domino's Pizza. From one small store, the brand grew into a global name, and its identity connects three things: the name, the Domino's symbol, and the story behind it. Looking at the logo evolution, one thing stands out. Domino's changed its visual identity over time, but it kept the central ideas of the domino. The design became cleaner and more simplified. In 2012, Domino's made a new logo, continuing this move toward a simpler and stronger visual identity. For me, this shows an important principle of logo design. When a brand becomes recognizable, it does not need to show everything. When a brand becomes recognizable, it does not need to show everything. It can communicate more with less. Color plays a major role in Domino's recognition that brings energy and attention. Blue adds a sense of trust and stability. White creates clarity and contrast. Whether these colors creates a visual signature that is instantly recognizable. Color becomes recognition. Typography is another important part of identity. The wordmark needs to be clear, bold, and recognizable across different brand touchpoints. Whether we seeing it on a store, packaging, advertising, or a digital screen, the name needs to communicate quickly. And typography does more than communicate words. It also creates personality. Domino's recent brand refresh introduced Domino's Sense, giving the brand a more modern and playful typographic direction. So typography performs two jobs. It communicates the name and it communicates the personality. Now look at the three dots. They represent Domino's early history. When the Domino's names was established in 1965, the three dots represented the three stores open at the time. But as the brand expanded, the three dots remained as a connection to its origins. As a graphic designer, this is part I found most interesting. The brand grew far beyond those original stores, but the symbol kept a connection to where it started. So the three dots are not just something we see. They carry memory, and this gives the logo something that a purely decorative symbol would not have. Meaning, the brand grew, but the story remained. When these elements work together, they create Domino's personality. The colors feels energetic, the typography feels clear and approachable, and the Domino symbol makes the brand distinctive and familiar. Together, they feel bold, energetic, accessible, and familiar. Now, from a graphic designer perspective, I would ask one simple question: why a domino? Why not a pizza slice? Why not an overarch chef? Those symbols would tell us what the company sells, but the domino tells us who the brand is. It connects directly with the name Domino's and that creates a strong relationship. Name, symbol, recognition. That is what makes the identity distinctive. The logo does not try to explain the entire company. It gives us one strong visual idea and makes that idea memorable. A strong identity does not need to be complicated. Sometimes one simple symbol can carry a name, a personality, and a story. And that is my biggest takeaway from Domino's. A great logo does not have to say everything. It just needs to the remembered. Thank you, Design Ecole College.